Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're making this little play mat, so follow me as we make it from scratch. So here it is after folding it into four. So I'm marking out 17 inches, as you can see. So here's 17 inches and I've marked it round. I hope it's visible enough. Yep, so here it is, 17 inches. I'll just go ahead and cut it like so. So here's what I have. This is a quarter of the circle, so you can see it's a full circle. This is one fabric for one end, so I'll be using this fabric for the other side. I'll just place it right under it and then I'll cut out the same measurement. I've cut both fabrics and then I'll just place them on each other, right sides facing each other, and I'll lay it properly. I've laid it well, so this is me making sure the edges meet. So when I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and pick this foam. So this foam is about ½ an inch thick. It's like the slimmest foam. I cut 2 pieces of it. I cut it to be the same size as the fabric, 2 pieces of that, and I'll lay both of the foams on the 2 pieces of fabric as well. Then I'll go ahead and sew it round by ½ an inch. While sewing, I'll make sure I leave out just a little space, about 3 to 4 inches space, which I would use to turn it out. So that's the little space I left. That's about 3 to 4 inches. That's what I'll use to turn it out. While I'm turning it inside out, this is a little reminder to please like this video, subscribe, follow, and share my content. This will go a long way in helping my channel. So I'll just go ahead and turn it like so. I'm done turning it here, as you can see. So I'll just stretch out the edges that's still a little tucked in. Yeah, and so this is it, fully stretched out. When that is done, I'll go back to that little opening we have. You remember there are 2 level of foams that were put on in the mat before we turned it inside out. So we'll open in the middle of those 2 foams and then we'll fill it with this white fur. We'll fill it. I'll keep filling it and make sure it's totally leveled. I had to fill it with a whole lot of fur, and then I'll make sure I level it so a part does not pop and the other part is empty. Then I just went ahead to finish it up with my sewing machine. So when I'm done doing that, this is my tape. I'm trying to get the midpoint of this circle. I divided it into 2 and then I'll draw out my line. So there will be 2 different midpoints on the circle. Drew the line like so, and then I basically just followed this line and sewed it, as we can see. You can either sew with your sewing machine or you can do that with your needle and thread, whichever is easier for you. So for me, the machine was easier, so I stuck to that. But then if it's the sewing with needle and thread that is easier, you can do that. In fact, the entire procedure of making the mat can be done with the needle and thread, same way it can be done with the machine. And we're done making the play mats in less than 4 minutes. Thanks so much for watching. Please endeavor to try this out, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow and share. Thank you so much. Bye.